Hey there, savvy shoppers. Ever heard of Temu Circle? If not, stick around. It's the VIP pass to saving big on Temu. Temu Circle is a loyalty program from Temu, the online marketplace known for crazy low prices. For just a small monthly fee, think $4 or so, you unlock exclusive perks that make shopping even sweeter. What's in it for you? How about having discounts on tons of products, free shipping on select items, and early access to hot deals? Plus, you get a premium customer support, free points for more savings, and even cashback on purchases. It's like Temu saying thanks for being awesome. Now, it's not for everyone. If you rarely shop on Temu, it might not pay off. And right now, it's mostly available in the US, though that could change. It's free to join for now, but heads up, future fees might apply as it grows. So, is Temu Circle worth it? Well, if you love snagging deals and shopping on Temu often, absolutely. It's a no-brainer way to stretch your dollar further. Ready to join the circle? Check it out on the Temu app today. That's it, guys. That's Temu Circle in a nutshell. Exclusive savings just for you. Happy shopping, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.